she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
Va, pero ya estuvo.
Yeah, just so you guys know, birds don't like wiggly fingers.
What the fuck is this? Are those fucking wiggle fingers? I must destroy fucking wiggle.
Good morning, Rio. Good morning. Good morning, chicken. Say hi. Hi, baby.
What you doing? What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
What you doing, man?
Yeah?
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him than they are of most things. Go get him, boy. Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They're scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, you bad. You a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess them up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah.
With it, group drop. Like come on and no one go.
I want a brand new wheel. I want a brand new house. I want a foreign little bitch. She put it all in her.
Way to go, Tingo! Good girl. Good girl.
So I was taking care of my vegetable garden today like I do every day, and I saw this blue jay in my garden that was trying to eat this, and I was able to get the blue jay out of there. I didn't touch the baby. I wanted to see if the mom would come back. So I went inside, I open the window and set a timer for 30 minutes. But unfortunately, Mom didn't show up, so I had to take him inside to begin rehab. He needs to eat every 15 to 20 minutes if he has any chance at survival. Thankfully, he's eating really, really well, always on time, not having any issues. So yeah, follow me if you want updates.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like...
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
She says I was picking the best. Not about the Saturday night.
You just remember what your old pal said. Oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul and seal your doom tonight. Big, 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 very big.